guys, today we're in Las Vegas, Nevada at Caesars Palace, and I wanted to give you a quick tour of our Palace Premium Studio Suite because it is crazy beautiful. I love floor-length mirrors. Okay, so this room doesn't just have one bathroom, but it has two, and it's super cool. One bathroom. Okay. This is like the coolest thing that I have not seen in another hotel room. The shower connects to the other bathroom. You can walk through it, and it has two shower heads. Huge tub with jets. So many places to look at yourself and be conceited. Here's your other bathroom with a bidet. Also, this is perfect to do your makeup or use your laptop like me. So this is really dangerous because, you know, after a night of drinking and gambling, you're gonna wanna eat all of this food, but you have to pay for it, along with all the drinks in the fridge. So this fridge is entirely full. You can't put any of your own stuff in it, because that'll be $75. Automatic mini bar, fully computerized, will immediately be charged to your room. Huge king size bed. And if that wasn't enough room for comfort, you have this entire L couch, which is nicer than my couch. You get a Keurig, but don't be fooled. It doesn't come with any coffee. You have to pay for it at that mini bar. And honestly, like, the coolest part is our view. Like, we can see the city and the mountains. I took a clip last night at sunset, and here's what it looks like during the day.
So before checking out the first floor of Caesars Palace, we walked right outside and into Hell's Kitchen. I have always been a fan of Gordon Ramsay, so coming here was a must.
Alright, Woodford Rye, Inferno, Emerald, Whiskey Barrel Aged Bitters, Antique Sweet Vermouth, and then we smoke it with cherry.
My goodness.
Wow.
That is beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Her drinks were delicious and so strong that we had to take them to go. They were about $16 to $20 each, but well worth it. For lunch, we tried both the beef Wellington and the lobster risotto. I highly recommend them both. I don't do fancy dinners often, but this was a great experience. After lunch, we walked back outside and saw this beautiful shrine dedicated to prosperity and good fortune for all faiths. It was nice to see something like this here. So we checked in at 3:30 p.m. on a Friday and waited about 10 minutes to get to a kiosk, which wasn't bad, but between 4 and 5 p.m. it was very crowded. Check-in is at 4, but you can pay $50 if you want to check in up to 4 hours early. You can also leave your bags at the bell desk if you arrive early and just want to walk around. Depending on what video you watch, you'll either think Las Vegas is a ghost town right now or very crowded. In my personal experience, the casino was pretty busy on a Friday and Saturday night. Not much so during the daytime, but never empty either. Most tables were open and had those plastic boards separating you from the person next to you. If you want to have lunch or dinner at a nice restaurant, be sure to make a reservation a little while in advance. Most places are reservation only right now, and you don't want to worry about finding a place to eat when you're hungry. Not all places are open, so there are less places for people to go.
It's almost like stepping into another world.
This was my first time here, and I thought this place was crazy.
This place is like Instagram City.
Almost all of the fancy stores in the Forum shops are open, but unfortunately the Fall of Atlanta show is currently not running. They don't want people to gather, we get it. I guess it just means they'll have to come back one day. You can still check out all the fish swimming around in the tank under it. They're super cute. Well, I hope this gave you guys some good insight on what Caesars Palace is like during these times. Just remember to keep washing your hands and sanitizing and keeping your mask on unless you're eating or drinking. I'll catch y'all on the next one.